Hello everyone, we are Team Elite. We present DataIQ, an AI powered data quality intelligence platform. Our core idea is simple: audit your data before it audits you. Because in today's AI driven world, data quality is everything. Let's talk about the problem. Over 80% of enterprise data is unreliable or incomplete, as shown in our analysis. This leads to wrong business decisions, failed AI models, significant financial losses. And existing tools are complex, slow, not actionable. So before companies use AI, they must first trust their data. That's where Data IQ comes in. Data IQ transforms raw data into trusted intelligence in seconds. Upload arrow, analyze arrow, fix arrow. Trust it, detects issues like missing values and inconsistencies, generates a clear data quality score, provides AI powered recommendations. So instead of guessing, users get clarity and direction instantly. Here's how it works: upload your dataset. Data flows through a scalable pipeline inspired by Databricks architecture. AI driven analysis detects quality issues. You get a dashboard with insights and recommendations. All of this happens in seconds. Let's look at the product. DataIQ provides a data quality score, a real time issues detection panel, detailed column level insights, and a downloadable quality report. For example, in this dataset, score 79 out of 100 missing values detected instantly, problematic columns clearly highlighted. This makes data issues visible and actionable. But we go beyond detection. DataIQ explains why the data is bad, what to fix first. As shown, critical issues identified in key columns. Clear recommendations like fixing missing values and standardizing formats. We convert raw data into decision ready intelligence. The impact is significant: up to 70% reduction in data cleaning time, fewer decision errors, better AI model performance. Use cases include enterprise AI teams, consulting firms like Accenture Finance, and data engineering teams. This is not just a tool, it's a data trust layer. Our vision is to make Data IQ the standard layer for data quality in every pipeline. We aim to enable real time monitoring, integrate with enterprise data systems, and power trustworthy AI at scale. Because in the future, AI is only as good as the data behind it. And Data IQ ensures that data is trusted. Thank you.